Welcome to our channel. Today we how to disable telemetry in Windows 11 with group policy, detailed guide step by step clearly. To disable telemetry in Windows 11 using group policy, begin by opening the local group policy editor. Press the Windows key and type edit group policy, then hit enter. In the local group policy editor, navigate to the following path: computer configuration. Expand the tree by clicking on administrative templates, then expand Windows components. Locate and click on Data Collection and Preview Builds. In the right pane, find the policy named Allow Telemetry. Double-click on it to open the Settings window. Select the disabled option to turn off telemetry completely. Click Apply, then click OK to confirm your changes. Next, navigate back to the main tree in the local group policy editor. Go to Computer Configuration, then Administrative Templates, and then Windows Components. Once again, find Data Collection and Preview Builds. This time, look for Allow Diagnostic Data Submission. Double-click on it to open the Settings window. Select the disabled option to prevent diagnostic. Click Apply, then click OK to save your changes. Now, close the local group policy editor. To ensure that all settings take effect, restart your computer. After the restart, your telemetry settings will be successfully disabled. You can verify the changes by checking the privacy settings in Windows 11. This concludes the steps to disable telemetry in Windows 11 using group policy. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.